लोकांनी गोयचो इतिहास विसरचो न्ही. जेन्ना देवळांच्या पुनर्बांदणीची घोशणा जाता तेन्ना लोकांनी सकारात्मक रावपाक जाय आनी हाचें स्वागत करपाक जाय. फक्त देवळांत न्हय, इगर्जेचें सरकारान पुनर्बांदणी केल्या. केंद्रीय राज्य परराष्ट्र वेव्हार आनी संस्कृती मंत्री मीनाक्षी लेखीन मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांच्या देवळांच्या पुनर्बांदणीच्या निर्णयाक तेंको दिला.
Churches have also been restored, and but you also have to understand the history of violence also is very much part of Goa's history. History of conversions also a history of Goa. History of exploitation is also the history of Goa. History of atrocities is very much part of the history. I think it's time that we all come to terms with the history and behave and work as Indians and work towards Indianhood, and togetherness is what we all need to do. I think people have to be open-minded, and people have to be accepting, and people have to be understanding and not become part of what I call this particular syndrome where victimization of the victim should not happen, and people should understand that there has been victimization, and let's accept it. Let's all be part of that. Let's know that this is what is our